In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove an image from the background in the Wix editor. As you work on building or refining your website, you might find yourself needing to customize your design by removing certain elements, like images. The good news is that Wix makes it easy to do this with just a few steps. And today, I'll walk you through this process. To start, make sure you are logged into your Wix account and have your editor open. When you're in the Wix editor, you'll see all the components of your website laid out in front of you: text boxes, images, and background elements, all ready for your creative touch. Now, zero in on the image you'd like to remove. It might be a decoration, a logo, or an unwanted graphic that you feel doesn't quite fit with your website's aesthetic anymore. Once you have identified the image, go ahead and click directly on it. This action might seem simple, but it's crucial because selecting the correct element ensures you're editing the right part of your design. You'll notice that when you click, a small box appears around the image, highlighting that the element is now selected and ready for action. With the image selected, you need to initiate the next step by right-clicking on the image. When you right-click, a menu will pop up on your screen, presenting several options. You'll want to choose Detach Image from Background. This option is key because it allows you to convert the image from being a part of the background into a standard element. Doing this gives you more flexibility over the individual editing actions you can take with the image. Now that your image is a standard element, you can easily remove it. Simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. With this straightforward keystroke, the image will disappear from your layout, giving you the clean design you're aiming for. This process is not only effective for enhancing the overall look of your website, but also ensures that your web design remains uncluttered and focused on the elements that truly matter. Remember, anytime you need to bring an image back or add new ones, you can do so from the Wix editor's intuitive image options. And there you have it, a quick, easy guide to detaching and removing images in Wix. These steps should help you maintain a sleek and professional design for your site. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide supports your creativity and productivity as you build your online presence. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials where we continue to unpack these wonderful tools at your disposal.